Guys, welcome back to Random Masters Gaming, and we are doing the series of making a dark matter. So yeah, we're doing the series of dark matter, and if you haven't watched the first one, I might send it in the link in the descriptions down below. So yeah, I can just. Where do I want to go to? And guys, I opened the big chest, but before give me 20 million. But now, 20 million! Let's see where I am. Oh my god, I have so much money. I don't know what I'm allowed to do for me. I don't know. How do you get dark matters? I wanna trade if you have. Please, can I have your beautiful pet? No. Okay, that's okay, because we don't have that many pets. Oh my god, insane. Oh my god, is it? No. I don't need your lowest pet. I don't want to ruin the fin. Just getting a dark matter. Oh my god, I keep just clicking free and I can't. Guys, leave in the comments down below. Do you like it the total view or the non? You don't have to leave in the comments. I don't know why I said that even. But I like it this way because it's easier to see how many pets you got and easier to delete the scale scrolling down like see all your pets. Delete. Now I can get free. Crossing those guys for spike. Knew it! I wish I said crossing it for guys, we have so many pets because this guy gave me this and this and this. Give me that, and that. All these three. But guys, can I show you him to shout out to him? Shout out to... Where is his name? I need to look. I forgot his name. But whatever his name is, just shout out to him. I forgot his name. This. I think it's this one. No. Someone else. I think. No. Whoever else, this guy shout out to him. Or whoever else it was. So, yeah. Let's just carry on with the video. So, yeah. I think my sister's in the video. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just gonna get that. Oh, see, I got another one of these. What is it? No, because you saw. Yes, off. I don't know what I'm talking about. I got 3 off. Finish. So I just delete all my magic is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 1. When you usually get one, you always mostly guess. Like if you get 3, you get different random ones. It's all random ones. I only get the ones when I really want, like 1 egg when I really want spike, or if I don't have enough, or if I don't have enough. So yeah, my sister's making a video. Wait, how many? Just gonna pause video for a sec, guys. I didn't want to do that. Wait. Oh, phew, good. That's like thinking, how did that get like 1 pet? Like on level 1, and then he has a spike. It's not like he's only been using the 1. Because probably someone traded him. I feel like trading him, but then I don't. This one. See, no, my voice was like the need to make gold. Okay, but 1 more gold, guys. I'm not going to spike gold. I'll be able enough to make a dark matter. Wait, no, I meant to be able enough to make a rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got 6. So yeah, guys. Wait, I can make a rainbow. What to do? But guys, guess it's the end of the video. So bye.